Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside the Zoom mobile app, so open it and sign in. Make sure you've allowed camera and photos access in phone settings. Once in a meeting, tap the screen to reveal controls and then tap the More or Video icon. This gives you the background options. You need sufficient lighting and a plain background for best results. That helps Zoom separate you from the background. Now select backgrounds and filters to begin changing or adding a virtual background. Once the Backgrounds and Filters panel is open, you can swipe through Zoom's built-in images and see a live preview. This shows how the effect will look to others. If you want a custom image, tap the plus icon and pick a photo or short video from your gallery. Zoom will apply it immediately. If you're using a physical green screen, enable the green screen option so Zoom uses color keying instead of AI segmentation, which improves edges and reduces artifacts. To finalize, check how you appear to others and adjust lighting or angle to eliminate flicker and soft edges. Better contrast makes the effect cleaner. If the background glitches, try switching to a simpler image or disable the virtual background briefly, then re-enable it. If problems persist, make sure Zoom is updated and that camera permission is granted. Reinstalling the app or restarting your phone resolves most permission and performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.